Hi Chris, just like to see your Clegg 22 are up and running again. I've been messing about with different mics and stuff to see what sounds better. This is your original Shure, put them screws back there, original Shure microphone, which I've been trying out. It didn't sound that great though. It sounds better on a standard mic. Now what I'm doing, I'm just going to go into receive test, okay. As you can see, it's receiving there, quite a thing. Just tuning it out. Okay. I'm getting a bit of a weird effect with it's nearly there. It's nearly. The thing is though, I take the case off. Take the case off and it detunes itself slightly. And so when I tune it and then put the case on, I end up with a different reading on the meter. So it's as close as it's going to get. It's, you know, end of the day, what you do. I'll put this back over. So there's your spot frequency. Okay, you can see it there. So you just tune up. Make sure you get that peaked out as high as you can. So you're the same frequency as the crystal. Put it back to normal. Okay. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. That hum is actually, if I move about, it's just pick up, RF pickup. Need a decent earth on it really. However, put your microphone, the other mic in. I've just got a standard run-of-the-mill piece of crap CB mic. 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. It sounds a lot clearer than the Shure, which is strange because usually the Shure would be a better microphone, especially on AM. But yeah, she's up and running. She's transmitting, receiving. She's on frequency. She's making noise. Right, that pinging, that ticking noise you hear is actually my 10 meg source pinging away. Seems to you'll be able to hear it on AM more than you hear it in any other mode, but tick, 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 that 1 second tick. That's coming from the GPS source, but she's yeah, up and running. A lot of work done in it, as you can see here. All that crap. Put the light on it. That's what came out of it all. So yeah, quite a lot of work went into it. But she's up and running, she's working, and I don't fancy doing a second one, so no. It's the short answer to that, because that was an absolute nightmare, you know, absolute nightmare. But there you go, you get 5 6 watts there. There we go. That's with the stand mic. You see that there? See the demodulation? About 60%. And with this mic, a lot higher. So yeah, definitely something with that Shure microphone. So anyway, other than that, she's working well. The meter reading I got, sorry, the sensitivity I got was neg 114.5 at 10 dB synad. Alright, so she's doing well for an old girl. Cheers, my dear. Bye now.